I didn't expect to run into you here. I just need to become stronger, and then... we should definitely try and find some time to spar.
没想到还能在这里再见面。只要我变得更强，到时候有机会的话，我们再比试一番。
여기서 다시 만날 줄은 몰라. 그냥 내가 더 강해지기만 하면 기회가 되면 또 겨뤄봐.
まさかここで会えるとはね。もっと強くなればいい。また勝負しよう。